Hi everyone, it's David here. I'm excited to welcome you to our new remodeled Horizon Design Center, where we're able to show a lot of the new features and accents and options you can do to your home. Thank you for following me. There are huge benefits of using a design and build firm, which one of them is, of course, we're able to help out with the whole design process, from actually talking about your idea and what you're trying to achieve in your house, designing it, showing multiple different options for design and build. And of course, the most important thing is to manage the project and making sure you're getting exactly the product that you're hoping for. So we're excited to welcome you here, and we're waiting to see you at our Horizon Design Center.